Hats off, man. Congratulations to the success. How do you feel?
I'm really happy to you. And I was working the night in a hotel. Then I came across with one of their posts. Some people is making money with payless videos, while I am like cleaning vomit of drunk people here in Ireland.
So you're making maybe how much per month at the time?
Maybe like 1,100 or something.
That's crazy, man. I can tell you studied a lot. But if you genuinely believe in this thing and you also genuinely believe you want to change your situation and you put those two things together, this is what can happen. Number one, first of all, hats off, man. Like literally hats off. Congratulations to the success. You've been how do you feel?
I'm really happy to you. And yeah, this is really meaningful to me because of my personal situation at this moment. Literally one year ago, I left my country, Mexico, and I moved to Ireland to learn English. And I was working and studying there, and I was working the night in a hotel. And then I came across with one of their posts, or I don't know if some channel like promote you or something. I don't remember. And then it's where I realized like some people is making money with payless videos, while I am like cleaning vomit of drunk people here in Ireland, in the night. And yeah, I decided to join to your free community first. And yeah, my English wasn't really good, but so I appreciate your patience in that moment.
Of course, man. Yeah, that's tremendous, man. That's amazing. So yeah, it's crazy how quick you got this thing up, and I know that these explainer channels have massive potential, but you really caught it at like the perfect time, and you found your winning bucket. You found something that hit right away, and you followed everything we asked you to do, like in the course, like find something that works and just double down, and you just kept on doubling down, and it just kept on working, right? So you literally just did the basics really, really well, which is awesome. A lot of people, they stray away from the basics really easily.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Literally, like 1 month ago, monetized this month, like 10K. It's insane.
Insane.
Yeah.
And this is your first channel. I know you only have like 10 videos up, like 10K videos.
Yeah.
Still such a beginner, like still such the early phases. There's so much more videos to post on the first channel, big videos to hit, and then more channels to post and create, right? So just compound and scale, horizontally and get more out. That's I look forward. I mean, you said literally last year you were looking at this situation like not knowing what to do. Now you're here. Imagine now 1 more year from now, knowing what you know now, it's going to be completely different,
Yeah. And that's what people should realize. Like, because I was doing YouTube on my own, I was making videos of another topic on my own. Even you can see the channel, like 15 videos, and none of them took off. And I just joined. I have my niche call with Jake. He recommended me this niche of explainer. And yeah, when you are with the right people, this happens.
That's so cool. What do you think was the main difference between those first 15 videos that you posted versus the way that we've done it since you started, and the videos you've been posting there since?
The knowledge that you gave me, and also the niche. The niche, they were like football videos, but what I like of these explainer videos is that they go straight to the point. You don't have to worry about the intro or something. And yeah, in those videos I had like very low retention in the 30 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yeah, that's awesome. It's so true. It's so similar but so different, because they're still the same kind of types of videos, but the way that they're created, they kind of bypass a lot of things that you just screw people up, which is the right hook, right? The right intro, and kind of selling people on the video. So going straight into it is just such an easy kind of hack to get around one of the most difficult parts of the video, which is convincing them to stay in a hook. So yeah, I think you nailed that, man. You nailed it very, very quickly. So then I'm just curious, like what's been the overall experience like with the calls? Because I know you joined quite a lot of the calls. Everything's been going well. You get the support that you need, or how's that been?
Yeah, everybody has been really, really helpful. But Jay, Warren, and have been really helpful to me. Like they really want to help and not just like accomplish with their position.
Yeah, very cool.
For example, they gave me this idea of the blood types. They were Warren and Jay.
Yeah, they're mentioning. We were talking about it with the coaches. We asked Warren, like, how'd you know it was going to hit? And we're like, we didn't. It just seemed like a good topic, but it was also the way that you did it. Just you did it perfectly, man. Like absolutely perfect. And it could really show. It really showed that you studied really hard the competition to understand like what made these videos go viral, and you copied with excellence. You know, that's all it is. Just
Yeah.
copy what's working and copy correctly. And I think you really did that really quickly, really well.
Yeah, and as you said in today's call, I think it's also the topics that everybody has and an eye color, so it's for everybody. These, these videos.
That's it. That's it. I was trying to actually talk to Christina because she was a little bit jealous of you. She has a similar channel to you. She's done very well, but not as good as you. And she's like, well, what am I doing wrong? Like Lewis has this video and this video, and like we're doing the same thing. I'm like, the thing is, like, if you look at his topics and who his target audience is, like your total addressable market is 10x hers, because you're not only just addressing everybody, but you're pointing out certain things that everybody has, and they know they have skin color, they have hair, they have eyes, right? So you pinpointed on like an emotional level things that they have and triggered so much curiosity. It just, yeah, you destroyed it, man. I love it.
Yeah, and I heard that you said like when you're doing the things right, everybody's going to do the same. So I think it's fine that they try to use the market or API advantage, but in this moment I'm trying to make a little switch. And for example, every hidden signal that you have high blood pressure. So we are talking about blood and using the hidden. So
It's
just to make a little switch.
So that's creative, man. That's it. Like, yeah, you're doing it like textbook. Find something that's working and double down. Doubling down doesn't mean do the same topic. It's find what made that topic work originally and then do more versions of it. And so, yeah, if you said the blood was a huge keyword that popped off, what other blood variations or blood iterations can you create? And that's the beautiful, man. I love it. That's fantastic, man. But man, this I gotta say, it's beautiful, man. You've done phenomenal. To see that something like this, literally since our first video in August 13th, till now, that's crazy progression, man. Very proud of you, brother.
Crazy, to be honest.
Yeah,
And as I told you, thank you for your patience at the beginning. And yeah, I appreciate that you make the free community, like without expecting nothing from us, like just to be helpful and literally to change lives. You're changing lives here.
That's why I love what I do, man. I literally couldn't ask for a better job. It's so cool because like I get to do it myself, which is nice, but only person that benefits is me. Even my channels, right? But it's like I've done this for so long, and the more people that I help, it just makes me love and keep loving the business model. Because eventually it's like, you'll see, like right now you're doing still a lot of the work yourself. You'll have a project manager, you'll have a quality control team, you'll have all your virtual assistants and all these kind of teams that you've delegated everything to. And then when you're working like 1 hour a week and there's nothing left for you to do, you'll realize that slowly, like, it's not that you stop appreciating what you have, but you stop appreciating like the art of the business because it's just fully automated. It can get so offhand, like really you don't have to do much work. And so that's what I love about this. It kind of pulls me right back in, where I'm like in the trenches all the time with the students, learning and observing and testing and all these things. Otherwise I'm so disengaged. I just tell my teams what to do and they just raw off, you know? So
yeah, now I would like to ask you, like, how do you feel to know like that you help, for example, an immigrant like to level up,
Yeah, that's amazing. That's amazing, bro. I love it. I mean, I've an immense amount of testimonies from people from all over the world in different situations. Some people that were like about to go bankrupt, and this is their last investment in me, which is scary, super scary when someone's like, "This is my last dollar, and if I don't pay rent by the next 2 months, I'm out a house." And we're able to get them cash flowing, as soon as possible, and it's so rewarding. It's stressful. It's super stressful. But I like it. I really love it. And just to see how this business model proves over and over and over again that it works if you just do the right thing. And the biggest thing, and I want to keep emphasizing, you just did the basics really well. And people who are really good at what they do and people who make a lot of money just become very skillful and very talented at doing the basics very, very well. It's crazy. It's like all these tactics and strategies, and it's not, none of that stuff, you don't need it till like way later stages, maybe like 20, 30K a month, and you're going into the micro details of CTR and all these small nuances that are beyond the surface level. But you just need to know the basics and follow the basics. And people just try all these strategies and they're like, well, maybe some settings are wrong. Maybe this is wrong. It's not the settings. It's the topics, how you can capture the emotion, how you can understand your audience and what they want and just create content around it. Find something that's working, make your own version of it, keep doubling down. It's like you literally did the basics and you did them 10 out of 10. And now people are like, what are you doing that I'm not doing? It's like, you're not doing the basics. That's all it is. So now
Yeah.
you're a great reference channel for just doing the bare minimum, but doing it very, very well. It's,
Yeah,
you know,
exactly. Yeah. I would like to leave like some message for the beginners.
yeah, well, please, by all means.
And uh, I'm going to share my screen. Really?
Go ahead.
Okay, okay. At the beginning of this year, I made this basic wallpaper, like 225. Like I set some of my goals here, like I'm a successful content creator. Like I set the goal of 6,000. It was like a considerable amount for me. And now like that we have the tail 10,000 here, like you know,
I love
it's
that,
crazy.
man. It's amazing. Yeah, the dream board, the mood board is real, man. You have to understand what the end goal is, so that you can reach the end goal. If you're just working just to work and hope for the best, it's gonna be very difficult to get to any sort of, measurable goal. But for you, like you had it there, something you stare at every single day and you're working towards it and you're working on it. That's amazing.
Yeah,
That's really good.
yeah.
It's also
The law of attraction.
law of attraction, man. Law of attraction is so powerful. So powerful, man. That you combine that with hard work,
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's not what it was easy. It was simple, but it wasn't easy.
Yeah, exactly. Some like I just want people to know like you have to be patient. It's not like you made your channel 1 month ago and now we're getting 10,000. It's like I made this thumbnail, this wallpaper story 10 months ago. So you have to keep that goal for a long time. And yeah.
Yeah, it's not like you just came up with the idea yesterday. It's been there. You've been working towards it. You also been hustling, man. You said you were serving, right?
Yeah. I was working in Ireland, and yes, it's where like that pushed me to go to this business.
Yeah. What kind of hours were you doing, and how much were you making serving?
I was the minimum. The minimum wage I think is 13.5 euros there or something. But yeah,
So you're making maybe how much per month at the time?
maybe like 1,600 or something.
1,600.
Yeah,
So okay,
something like that.
that's crazy, man. So okay, 1,600 to 10K, not bad.
Yeah, and
Verbal.
yeah, if you compare that to Mexico's, it's even worse. But yeah, I'm very grateful. I'm very happy.
Yeah. And lastly, I'm curious, like, what's your thoughts on the community too, man? Because for me, I think it's one of the most valuable and as my baby is the community. I'm curious, like, what's your been experience?
No, I think it's really nice because you are like interacting with people who have the same goal as you're in. And yeah, it's really nice that people is pushing you, that coaches are giving and their point of view for you to improve. Like you're every single day leveling up. Really nice.
That's awesome, man. Yeah, you get a lot of praise. I'm telling you, you get a lot of praise in the community. A lot of people talk about you, and it makes sense. You made some waves, and now you have a big pedestal to maintain. Yeah, everyone's holding you to a very high standard, which I think you're gonna do like very well. Even this next topic you just thought of, it's gold. It's gold, man. So if you keep on thinking
Yeah.
more, you'll be fine.
Thank you so much, Victor.
Yeah, I want to see 20K coming, 30K. Yeah, I think by the end of the year, man, we could do another 10K. I could think of finish the year with 25K.
Thank you so much. Yeah, and I am considering also to start another channel, but I have to think clearly all of them.
Yeah. Let's get this one dialed in because I think you have so many more unexplored ideas. You can now think way more critically about different ideas you have. Because right now, if you're just trying to use maybe more limited resources, you're going to maybe have more of a limited mindset, right? But if you wait until all that cash hits the bank, because it's still so new, it hasn't even hit the bank yet. Once that happens, then you can think a lot more critically and say, hey, okay, I want to go maybe for some higher quality stuff, some 2D animations, or one with this, and it's going to require different kind of time or energy or budget. So wait until you have like a more pool of money. It's going to change the way that you think and plan out the future channels. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you
there's so much
for that. Like,
so much more to be extracted from this channel too, man. So much more.
yeah. It's like science have a lot of things to explore.
Yeah, I think also just like I personally, for long form content, it's been a very long time since I've seen almost 4 million views in 1 month. This is rare. It's super, super, super rare. Especially like what we saw your first million in the first 8 days was was crazy, man.
Yeah, I think Warren told me that it never has happened like before. Like
No, not that fast.
in 2 days, 1 million views. Like not even music.
Yeah, actually, basically it was. Yeah, from like 6 days, literally, yeah, in 2 days, from 16,000 views, 20,000 views to 1 million views in 2 days is mental. Like that, just yeah. And then I saw a bunch of people trying to copy you right away.
Yeah,
Like,
but yeah, and I have seen that also in TikTok. There are some people, some guy,
post this stuff on TikTok, man.
yeah, some guy literally stole the video of Skin Color, and it has like 4,100 views, 400,000 views.
Yeah, it's crazy. TikTok will blow up like crazy, and he's getting paid on those, and you're not. So you should take all your content and put it on TikTok soon,
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah, and also in Facebook. I'm going to try everywhere, but yeah, keeping the main focus on YouTube.
Absolutely. Yeah, repurposing content takes no time. Once you have a system for it, you have all the accounts set up, just drag and drop, and then go back to YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Victor.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Anything else on your side you're curious about or want to chat about?
No, no, I'm happy. I'm happy that you consider to discuss about my channel.
Of course, man.
Yeah, and I could tell you a little bit my story.
Yeah, of course. Well, I love that, man. You have a phenomenal story. Very, very good story. And it's very like very relatable to many people, man. Like it's a lot of people are also, working jobs that they don't want to be working, not really having the means to progress forward, and then opportunity like this, if taken correctly, is life changing, so but you have to take it correctly. You have to work hard. I know you work very hard, man. I know none of the stuff you got came easy, and so I like to make that very clear for everybody, even everybody who listens to this. It's not the easiest thing in the world. Of course, you worked. I know you studied a lot. I can tell you studied a lot, but if you genuinely believe in this thing, and you also genuinely believe you want to change your situation, and you put those two things together, this is what can happen,
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, so that's awesome, man.
Okay.
Hey, brother, it's been a pleasure, man.
Thank you so much.
We'll leave it at that, and I'll see you on my next call, okay? All right,
We'll do that.
sounds good, man.
Thank you, Victor.
We'll talk soon, all right?
Have a good day.
Thanks, man.
Bye.
Talk soon, bro. Bye-bye.